Jamaican people really want to be in unity or to trust, but nobody is trusting nobody. They're vanished. They don't want to talk with anyone because they don't want to be vulnerable. So now what they will do, they will just be no. And then after they are a bit good, they are going out to the world. Yeah.
And I prefer to be alone.
Flew across the sea, reached paradise land. Jamaican vibes live up, we stand. Young man girls with the rhythm strong. That's one night, chanting with song. Leave all the
Rise and shine, everybody. Today we're going to two pearls here. Oh, I'm still talking to Jenny. We want to ask you something, okay? To all the Jamaican people. Why when we are walking with Chenil, they are coming to Chenil, not us, and they are telling him, yo, can I get him? Which one of them? Which one of them is yours?
Why you all two?
Why?
Two? Why you need two?
No, not
I
why
told
they
the Jamaican it's
No. Also they're saying that, also that. But I don't understand, like, why do not ask us? Like we are.
One friend said that it's out of honor, like to honor
him.
because
I
it's
really
Jamaican
don't
and to
understand.
talk
We feel like
to
every time we get
different
into a
guy.
place with him, they talk to him.
And I don't
They
like
don't talk
this
to us.
actually.
And we are independent.
Weirdo.
I don't understand. He's there and he doesn't have energy. Prefer that they will speak to us and that's it and leave him. Yo, look. Look. You see that? We're going there right now. Oh my God. Yo, it's so beautiful. I think we were in this place how many times? More?
I love.
Seriously, a lot.
And all the
And
time.
every time we're surprised.
Yeah, because it's amazing.
Yes. Hello.
Hi, how you
doing?
We're good. So important to say hi to people on the
Look at this. Amazing, right? Amazing, yeah, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, right? But it feels a bit chilly now. I don't understand it.
Yeah, because it's down in sun here, all the leaves are.
Good morning.
Good day, how are you?
We're good. How are you?
Not too bad. Welcome to Blue
Not
Lagoon.
too bad. Why not amazing?
Not too bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
Our definition.
Alright, so we're the vacancy group. The box right here. They go towards the bathroom and the maintenance. Not so deep.
Thank you. Sometimes I don't understand.
When it regards to money, that people want to pay, she doesn't.
No, sometimes I don't understand what people tell me. Sometimes I'm like, ah. And then Barry's explained to me and I'm like, ah. Hello.
Right here. Can you give it first name, please?
Thank you.
Bar.
Bar. B-A-R.
Oh.
Ayelet. A-Y-E-L-E-T. Thank you. It's so beautiful. When we were here 3.5 years ago,
Wondering what they are doing with the name.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
When I was here 3.5, hello, all these things wasn't here.
Yes.
Thank you. Hello. Wagwan. Hey, how do you know? How do you know? You saw us yesterday?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
3 days ago.
We said to you that we are from Israel? I don't remember. I smoked too much ganja. Yo. Go there. Go there. With all the stuff. With all the stuff. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Where did you get them from? What is this?
This one bite.
Ew.
One bite.
Oh my God.
This one bite and shoes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Maybe because his teeth grow.
You're
So
growing
it's
him?
It's hard for you.
There.
They're yours?
Yes.
You're taking care of them? Give them food and water.
And everyone could just open the door, just go in.
You don't want to carry him, Bob?
If you think.
It's not like that she is running away. Dogs are coming.
I'm down here now. My family, I feel like I'm going out.
Listen, animals, why we are in love with animals.
So just staying up all night.
I love your hair.
She's staying next door.
The calm.
She's so gorgeous.
So he likes it now. I thought to take it to Israel, but it would be really big.
Too big. She's half Germany, half Jamaican, this girl. What is your name? Linda.
You know what is Linda?
It's beautiful, no?
Yeah.
It's in Germany?
No,
No, it's in Spanish.
In
Portuguese. Let's go, people, to explore Blue Lagoon, you know?
You're not going in?
Ask her, I don't know.
Swim? You're not going to swim?
I'm going.
Soon.
You going to talk?
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's radioactive, you know.
Healthy.
It is.
Yeah.
It is?
It is. I have a natural limestone for you guys if you want to try.
What, limestone?
Limestone, it's only the skin.
Limestone? What is
You
limestone?
don't know the limestone? You don't know it?
Limestone?
Yeah.
No.
You don't know it? You walk into the spring?
Yeah.
All right, let's
Ah, like you rub it?
Oh, we have the natural.
Rub it.
Let's see what is limestone, people. I saw a girl got limestone and she got like 2 million views.
Yeah?
So that's why you want limestone?
No, but we'll do the limestone. I'll just film. Oh,
Have a lot.
what a
This is
limestone.
the limestone. It's not your first time in the Blue Lagoon.
No.
No,
I saw it.
no, I think we did it also.
So the old Monkey Island.
In the Monkey Island, we did it.
Yeah, the
Some
old-
guy took us.
Yeah.
They wanted to be. We didn't want at first. And then got us.
No, come.
So you didn't enjoy it?
No, it was
Be
nice.
my companion.
But we didn't want it. Felt touristic and we were afraid to be tourists, you know?
No, we didn't want it. And then told us, come be my companion. Be my friend. So we
Yeah.
Remember the old island, the old Monkey Island is limestone.
So it's probably.
Look at this. They are going to eat my skin now. They don't want to eat
Go in
it.
and settle down a bit before they start picking.
Yeah, I need to relax. Huh?
But that's if you have dead skin on your feet. If you don't have any dead skin,
I think I have.
they won't need it.
Why? There is someone who doesn't have?
You know what?
Babies.
Baby.
Only babies. Once you start to walk barefoot, you have.
You have to share.
Share what?
You have to share.
With the fish.
Uh-huh. No, it's not healthy for them.
I'm telling you, these are mullets.
They will eat, but it doesn't mean that it's good.
No, alright, so the thing with mullets, right? Once you can eat, they eat. That's something with mullets. It's not like the other fishes that, they can't really eat like chips and stuff like that. But the mullets, they eat whatever.
Wanna try share it with them?
Okay, but I think it is like.
Give it a shot.
No, they will eat. Of course they will eat. That's it.
No, they won't. Trust me.
Yo, they're fighting. People, they're fighting.
Do it, come on.
And it's gone.
Wait, give me one more just like for the experience.
See one more for this.
One more.
Why? Why they're fighting so much?
Ay,
But it's outside, but it's not nice. Look.
like that one. Go for it.
If you have a courage ball,
No,
put one on your leg and get into the water.
I don't want.
Why not?
Because I don't need to put one on my leg. I will get into the water and I will.
No, they are
I
not.
got my food.
No, they are not like that. They are not like that. She enjoys that. So beautiful here, huh?
This is paradise,
Paradise, seriously.
But you need fruit in paradise.
Fruits.
Fruits.
Yeah, what is the fruit?
So normally we have apple tree here, but
What is normally? Now it's apple tree season.
Yeah.
but now they cut it down. That's the thing.
Ah,
The government.
The government.
don't know what to do shit, huh?
Very good, They're the one that stopped everything here. The boat, the rafting.
They stopped the rafting?
You remember, when you come, you won't be here. You'll be on the other side.
Oh, you done it here?
You're off from there down to the island.
Yeah, but
I
they
didn't know
stopped it.
that.
Yeah, we stopped like, what, almost 3 years now.
Where?
We were here 3.5 years ago and we did it.
Yeah, when we did it.
They renovate here and then maybe.
After the renovation?
There wasn't no renovation.
No, all of
This.
this it's new. Like it wasn't here.
All right, this has always been here.
Right, but the
Oh,
entrance and
the
the
entrance?
people.
It was
Yeah,
different. We got in from another place.
We were on the other side there,
Yeah.
but the entrance was still here. Normally, what we do, the gate was closed, so we normally jump the fence right there and
Yeah.
walk down the steps.
That's
to
what
get
we
there.
did.
Yeah, but recently we came this side. So what we do, we clean up, put gravel here, stones, everything. Clean up the place to.
You work here or it's not like it's what is this?
I work here. I've been working here for over like 10, 12 years.
But you're working by the government or how does it work?
Alright, so I normally work with the government, but now I'm just doing my own thing. I normally do the boat, I normally do the rafting, ocean kayak, I do island tours, so I do tours around Jamaica also. Beaches, rivers, hikes, you name
Cool.
Nice.
it. So I was a raft captain and boat captain here, then they stop everything, then I become a lifeguard.
You became a lifeguard here?
Then things wasn't so good.
You did something in order to be a lifeguard? A course?
Yeah,
No.
yeah. I got to do the course, the whole training and stuff. So I'm not
Makes
just
sense.
like I'm a first leader.
Nice. So
You're-
if I will
wow.
faint now, you will know what to do? Good.
But see,
Yeah, something happened.
but tell you what, it's good.
I think that, but I don't like this. No.
Hmm?
They're biting the.
No, those and so don't bite.
They don't do anything to me.
I don't know. I'm with the
I didn't
snakes.
even pay attention to
The
that.
brown ones bite.
How old are you?
Oh, hold on.
28, 27.
No, but it said 15 years.
23,
It's 34.
22.
I look that one. Hold on. I look that
No,
one.
but you said 15 years you've been working
I've
here.
been working here.
Since you're
from
14
This
years?
is 16.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Now
You
you're
look
27.
27.
27.
Yeah.
Something like that. But you can pass also 23.
I
Yeah.
could be 20 or 19 also.
Yeah. You can be
Yeah, you
everything.
can. Because you know.
You can also pass as 80.
Yeah.
Let me take a guess.
But you didn't say to us. How old
But
are
I'm
you?
going to the
Oh,
You want to make to build a.
Yeah. The tension.
25,
Yeah.
25,
Yeah.
29, 28. Far off?
I'm far off. She is no. It's like really close.
Am I too high or?
I will not say.
Let's see. Is she going to get a compliment or no?
She's
I'm
26.
26.
Or younger?
Younger.
22? Too young. 24.
I'm 24.
She's 24.
Just turned.
And I.
Just turned 24.
Yeah, December.
Um,
How old is Bob?
How old am I?
Look at the wrinkles.
Look at my wrinkle.
I'm not big
It's
in
not-
this one. I would say 31.
I'm 35.
35, you don't need 30.
Exactly.
But people here look really amazing at 35.
Yeah.
You see?
It's
So-
because of the fishes and the skin, the stone.
Let's just say it's free. It's like freedom. Here in Jamaica, some places like in Kingston, in Montego Bay, people work by the time.
Yeah.
When you come Portland,
Not really less. Portland less,
We
but
don't work-
in
we don't really work
Kingston,
with the time.
if you compare Kingston to even Tel Aviv, they are not working.
Oh,
by
New
the
York.
time. New York is like, you cannot compare.
The problem here that the country is very expensive and you are not getting paid much. If this wasn't, wow, people were living really good here.
Yeah,
True.
chill.
that's true.
But they are doing that.
If the food was cheap, I'm not talking about luxury, food,
Yeah.
but the food here is
And
expensive.
electricity.
Yeah.
Food is cheap.
Food is cheap here? Only Jamaican food.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Only Jamaican
Yeah.
food, like
Banana,
chicken.
chicken, banana.
No, the fruits start to be really expensive.
Fruit.
Unless you pick
But
them.
they are picking
You
them.
go some places.
They are
like
not really pay them.
where I live.
Yeah.
I have banana. I have plantain.
Yeah,
I have
you don't need
apple,
more than that.
I have yam. I
If
have
you pick
so-
them, yeah.
Yeah, so you don't need a lot of things. But what I wanted to say.
So now you're not
so
getting-
how old are you?
Oh, almost 25.
25.
25.
Almost 25.
So you are in your age. He's in your
Ah, I thought you're more.
Like what? Today's what?
age. At first, I thought he's really young.
No,
like
I thought,
19.
yeah, but I thought it's more because
then he spoke.
Jamaican people, when they are 20s, they look
Yeah.
really young.
Really young.
That's true.
They look like 15, and you don't look 15. So usually when they look 20, they are 30.
They are 30. Yeah.
True. That's true. But it's mainly because of the little.
They bite me.
One
I
bite.
swear.
Everyone are biting you. What?
Ah, maybe it's the mosquito. Maybe we should walk.
Yeah.
I remember last time I was here, why I got a lot of bites. You remember?
When
With
was it?
Carly?
Yeah.
Which month was it?
It was in the summer, August.
Yeah, you know about the mosquito. Like it's close to yeah, me.
Look, all my body is mosquitoes, and it doesn't go away. Like,
No. Once they bite you,
That.
it's
The
in you
stone.
1 month.
You
but
need that.
the stones. Oh, one more came to the party. Huh?
הוא לא רוצה שתצלם
He's
אותו.
wanted.
What is? Oh my God.
He don't do
Oh
social
my
media.
God. Why? What did you do? People, if you search him, he is right now.
Blue Lagoon.
What did you do? Tell us the truth. We are officers. Tell us the truth. Maybe try speak English. Yaman girls.
With A. AA. What?
Maybe
He's coming, people.
change your voice. That will
The wanted is coming.
Who wants you? The government? The police? Tell us.
A lot of girls want him.
We love to know.
But it doesn't mean that girls doesn't want you.
No, he can't look that way.
He can look.
He can, but he won't. You know.
You know what I mean?
I'm just
You know, Jamaican man. Some Jamaican men they're loyal. You know, not all, but
not all. Most of them are not.
4%.
Let's be serious. You know.
let's be honest, right?
Yeah.
The thing is with Jamaican man, right?
What is this thing?
They've been through a lot with our own
Women.
woman. So that kind of like we have to keep our guards up. You know, we don't try to like put it down.
No.
That's the thing. But Jamaican man,
But it doesn't mean that they need to be not loyal in order to put their guards on. You know.
If female, she's
No,
loyal.
without blaming females in that
No,
video.
No. I'm saying,
Yeah.
if the female
Yeah.
who she's loyal, trust me, that man, you will find no one as loyal as him.
It's not the truth, but I don't feel that I will say to you what I believe in. It's not outside. If you are loyal, you will attract someone that is loyal. But if you are not, that's what you will see outside. And this will be your relationship, and that's it. You can blame the other side, but it's not the other side. The fact that you are with this kind of people, it means a lot about you.
What do you have to answer about it?
That's true. No. She's right. She's right. Trust me, she's right. But it's vice versa, you know?
Of course, it's also you have the society here. This is how you all.
But when you start to change yourself, and when you start to not be
will
like
find
that,
the people
you will
are-
find
that
the
are
people
not.
that are not like that, and you will be with them. It's like the company will change. Everything will change. When you
Yes.
change, everything around you change.
Exactly.
You're right. You're right. But imagine, you know, being single, waiting for someone for like 3, 4 years, 5 years, searching, not finding.
I don't believe in searching and waiting, actually. I believe in changing myself. Like everything that I want in a partner, I will be that thing. And then, like is attract alike. And then the partner will come. Like it will be happen, but not, I will not
It is
search
coming.
and
No, when I say search, it's not
like on wait. I understand
talk
what
to you
you're
right
saying.
now, but you know, you're waiting on, as you said, you put yourself together, you're looking for that person to come along, but it's been like 3 years, 4 years going on, you haven't found that person.
You don't need to look. You need to
Yeah, there's no light in here.
Work on yourself.
be yourself, and work on your dark side or the side that you want to improve or whatever.
No, the dark side always have to stay. You can't get rid of the dark side.
Not really though, but I think accept it, see it, and not controlled by it. You understand? It's not like, of course, it will not vanish. This is part of us, but to understand this, like to know yourself more, to understand the situation, what motivates you, what is, for example, like triggered you, everything, and then when you understand it better, and you can not control by it.
And it also comes down to the culture again. Also. Remember, you know what the Jamaican culture is like, right?
What do you mean?
Yes.
You know Jamaican culture.
Jamaican culture.
Like, what do you mean when you say that? Regards to what?
All right, let me ask a question. What do you think about the Jamaican culture overall? Like, with, let's say, dating, party, you know, the whole nature like this. What do you think so far of the whole Jamaican culture?
I feel like after I talked with a lot of people and be here and experience a lot of stuff, that Jamaican people really want to be in unity or to trust, but nobody is trusting nobody. They really want it. They talk about it.
Yeah.
They talk that everyone are not like that, and that's why they are not like that. That's what I'm talking about now. Like, they are talking outside. Everyone know the females, the dead, the males, the na, but you don't really act like that. You don't trust. So why people will trust?
No,
It's
because it's hard to trust. All right, what is the biggest disease in Jamaica? Let's see if you can figure that one out. What's the biggest disease in Jamaica?
Crime.
Crime?
no, I don't trust.
crime.
That's what I feel.
Trust?
I feel the trust.
What do you think?
Or trust or crime.
Crime.
Crime, it's not. Crime is it's
the-
outcoming of something.
yes.
The root, I feel that it's trust, and people are
It dead.
Okay.
It dead. Me not have it. This one out. This one in there so. Yeah.
You see, he speaks
On the
with
box.
us English people.
friends.
The biggest disease is bad mind in Jamaica. Bad
It's okay. They are narrow-minded. They have evil eye. I will say, like they are envy a lot of the time, and
Yeah, they envy.
and they think that and that's what I'm saying. Like it's part of all of us. It's humanity. But the fact that you understand that you have a side about it. Like for example, me and Dayala. Sometimes I have this envy about her, and she's my sister, and I want her to be happy as good as. And then I'm thinking to myself, okay, I have this. Why? And then when I accept it and realize that that's what I have now, I accept it, not blaming myself, and understand that I love her. Things are changed.
No, that's true, but trust me, that is not.
And it's not only my sister, it's like to regards to anyone in the world. It's like it's part of human nature to be envy and and all of this dark side that we are saying. But the fact that I think that the question is how much weight you put on it in your life and how much is you control by it.
I understand, but for me, no, that's where the trust comes in.
Yeah.
Trust. That's why you all you have trust in Jamaica. You're not going
People
to find
doesn't
someone
trust each other.
Not so easy.
And not even after they trust, they don't trust a lot of time. Like even after a while, and I know.
You trust for like a few, I would say like a few seconds, and then.
But also it's like people get into trouble. They are I will say lonely wolf. That's what I feel about Jamaican. They don't know, and I know this
I'm a
because
loner.
Israeli are the opposite. They know how to live in a group. Like it's really different than in Jamaica. What we are doing is we are sharing. We are in the bed. We are putting everyone like be with. No. This is what we are doing in Israel. In Jamaica, people when they have bedtime now. What they are doing, they close themselves.
They vanish.
They vanish. They don't want to talk with anyone because they don't want to be vulnerable. So now what they will do, they will just be no. And then after they are a bit good, they are going out to the world.
A little bit of bad, a little bit of good.
What do you mean?
Alright, so here, most people, you have the good side, you have the bad side. Through the day, it changes. Because if you're here for the whole day, right, and like you're observing and looking and everything like that, right, you see it changing. Everyone is good now, and within a split seconds, you hear someone cursing. And then, like 2 person cursing, and within the next second again, those 2 persons are literally standing and laughing. And another minute, they're cursing again, or they're cursing with someone else. So you won't find no trust there.
Yeah, I believe
Because
in
for
that
me,
too.
I would never trust them.
Yeah.
Because at this
But
moment,
then, but then
good.
it's your choice if to be there around this company or not. You have a lot of Jamaican that I know
Yeah.
that they have good relationship and good friendship. So you can collect those people around you. It's like it's not when you don't do that,
Yeah.
you start to collect those people around you. And I understand it. I understand as a foreigner, it's easier for me because I'm not with that culture, so it's not in me. But I understand it. I see that you have a lot of people like that. And if there is some Jamaican, and I got this, like some Jamaican that treat me bad or doing something that I'm not going to be with them because I don't want this
Energy.
energy around me. No feel energy, negative
Because for
energy
me,
around me.
I'm alone, right?
Yeah.
You would see me around friends this minute, the next minute you see me, it's just me alone. And
Yeah.
I prefer to be alone.
Of course, all of Jamaican are really love people. They will work with tourists. No. They really love people, but
But they prefer
stay
to be
in
alone.
Jamaica, they prefer to be lonely, alone, not lonely, alone. Because you don't.
But it's
trust
funny
people.
because we meet a lot
This
of
is-
good people here.
And this is
Hard to trust.
so.
Yeah.
This is the circle that nobody is really breaking, and I cannot accept it.
Because I do
Because
trust
when you
them.
change, everything change. I know it's a law of nature.
I've changed more than
Yes.
5 times. And still didn't make a difference. More than 5 times, it still hasn't made a difference. It's just,
You need to go to different circle.
Yeah, it's part of it
Different
actually.
circle?
Yeah, when I changed, like I did the flip in my life, so I started to be therapist, for example. So I saw how my socialized people, all the people around me, start to be therapists too, and they're like my friend changed. I have my good friends,
Yeah.
but the friend change, and everyone that I'm attracting to now is people that are more in the spiritual way and more because something changed in me. So I see it around me. So it's also with trust. It works with love. It works with everything.
understand. That makes a lot of sense too. It makes a lot of sense.
Yes.
But how do you cope, right, with changing like your whole self, but whatever comes in don't change.
You understand? Like when you see, this is a lesson in life. Like when you see someone new come into my picture now, for example, want relationship. It's a real example, okay?
Yeah.
So someone is getting into my life, and I bring him a chance, okay? And then he come, and we are starting an adventure together.
Yeah.
And then I can see this is a mirror. I can see where I'm at in my mind, in my everything, because how he is acting, it is my mirror. So if he is, for example, violent,
Yeah.
and I had this issue when I was young with my whatever, so I had violence in my life. So for example, if he's violent, I understand that I didn't solve my issue with violence yet because he came to my life and
Yeah.
I gave him a chance. Okay, but when I see that he's violent, and I had the issue with violence in my life, but I passed this lesson already. I will see it and I will not let him into my life because I'm like, he's violent. I don't want this energy, and I'm getting forward. You understand?
But suppose that person already, I would say get vulnerable for you.
Yeah.
What would you do? Because now
Go in.
you're gonna tell that person like, all right, it's not gonna work because you're violent or what.
No,
No.
it's like
You're going to feel it in the beginning.
it's a stage. Like first, when you have this wound in you and you recreate your reality, everything is wound and everything you
Restore.
restore your
Yeah.
reality. Like when you were a child, if you were abused, for example, whatever. I will take the extreme thing.
Yeah,
You
understand.
abuse. So what people does, they are restore the reality when they were a child. Why? Because our brain really loves the comfort zone, even if the comfort zone is really bad. Okay, you love it, so it's like it's safe for you. You know how to handle this comfort zone. But when you are growing up and you understand that you don't want this reality in you, you don't want to be abused all your life. So what you are doing, you realize that, and you understand that you restore your reality now. So now, when this person will come, if you understand it, if you understand the lesson, a person come to abuse you, you see it from far already,
Yeah.
and you don't let him get into your life. But if he got into your life, the understanding is the first thing that I understand about myself. Okay, I didn't learn the lesson yet, not in the whole,
Yeah.
because
get what you're saying.
he entered to my
He
life.
entered inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. And then when I learned the lesson, those people will not be in my life, and I experienced this stuff a lot. When I change and I understand this lesson,
And what would you do if you find someone, very good person, everything about that person is good at first sight, but later on, while you guys are like say in the relationship, going forward, things start to change.
Yeah.
How would you like react to that or try to adapt? Would you react to it, adapt to it,
Sorry, look.
let it go?
I want to
Oh my God, look. You have your, no. How do you call it? Crab?
Oh.
Oh, it was red.
Yeah,
Red?
Yeah.
Yes, maybe not. Crab.
Yeah, you have
Crab is
freshwater crab.
Red and yellow, but like,
Yeah, you have land crabs. You
wow.
have sea crabs.
I want to believe everyone has his own lesson, okay? And I understand that sometimes I understand that someone is coming into my life and I am restoring my thing. Everyone knows their thing. I restore and I'm saying to her like, oh my God, it's the same. It's the same. So if it's the same, it means that I didn't pass it. Oh my God. And then when I realize that when you put it into your intention, you are acting like you are doing stuff. So I don't want this. I don't want to be in this again. So I will get away. But if I didn't understand it yet, I will be there. As long as I will understand. You understand? This is how things in life happening. So it's like in trust in Jamaica. I thought, getting back to this story, people will be in that circle until they will understand that they want to be with people they are trust. For example, a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Change the circle. He knows what people he trusts and how to react, who he can be and who he cannot. He open up to the people that he believe that he can trust, and then it changed. His reality changed. And he's Jamaican, of the culture and everything.
Drop the mic.
Yeah, no, I'm saying like I really believe in that because it's happened to me in a lot of
We saw a lot of Jamaican that changed their reality.
in that regard. Yeah.
A lot.
Because we are trust.
We are getting them.
Well, you hear what you just said, right?
Huh?
You got your boyfriend to change for you, right?
No, not for me.
Are you
Before you
changed?
met him.
Yeah, that's why she came into his life. Think about it. When you and that's what
People
I
will
told
not
you.
change for you.
For
Not
you, nobody will change, and then you will not. To understand if this friend you want in your life, you understand if now he is in a position that you can accept him. If he's not, he will not going to
don't need
change.
to be with him.
You don't need to be with these people
Yeah.
around you, girl, friends, whatever. So he did a change before, and that's why Ayelet came into his life, because Ayelet doesn't have trust issue. Ayelet even not deal with that. Like my sister is not deal with that trust issue because it's not part of our life. Like I trust
It's not
people.
the culture.
And I know I can understand who can I trust and who can I not. And the one that I not, I don't want them. Bye.
So a lot of Jamaican really that they change it here.
You understand?
But I want, that you have to change. You don't mind saying that.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
No,
Huh?
not healthy.
No, I'm just kidding. No, you can do that.
no, this is healthy. This is always healthy.
No, because it's you are
One year
smoking.
for-
Smoke, it's not healthy. That's it. You can eat it if you want.
I can.
You can make tea.
Yeah, I know. I